Welcome guys in this new lecture of Python programming tutorial. In this lecture we are going to create a non-graphical user game code. The game is very simple, very popular. Let's start doing it. Okay, so the game we are going to make is guess the number game. This guess the number game is very popular in computer world, and one time or other everyone has played it for free or paid. That game is on computer, guess any number and win some prize, win some lottery, win some cashback or anything. Those games are pretty advanced. Obviously there is some secure algorithm involved, but the basic logic will be the same that we are going to implement here. Okay, now if you want to create such game, the first thing is you have to get a number, the number generated by computer. That number should be random, and for that we have random module in Python. So I'm writing here from random import randint, that is random integer. Then I'll use this random integer to create a random number. So I'm writing num equal to randint and I'm writing 1 comma 5, and when I print this number I'll get a random number generated. Now this randint, this random integer, is purely random in nature and user has got no control on this. I am using randint 1 comma 5. This is the range between which this random number will be generated. See here, it is 1. If I run it again, 3. If I run it again, 3. Because I am using a very small range, 1 comma 5. So maybe guessed number can be, maybe the random generated number can be repeated. But the basic thing is that I have got no control on this number, and when I remove this print num, if I remove this print num, I have got no knowledge what number is generated. So basically this print num is like cheating. If I know this number, I can call someone, I can call my near and dear ones, okay, this is the number, print this. So I am removing it. Now what I want user to guess a number. So I am writing a message, enter your guess, and you can enter anything. You can enter any message to tell user that okay, now you have to guess a number and write it. So I'm writing int input, enter your guess. Now I have got three conditions. If my guess is not equal to num, then I've got two conditions. That is, if my guessed number is less than the number generated by computer. If my guess number is less than number generated by computer, then I can print a message. You can print anything. I'm printing here guess is low, guess is less. So guess is less. Okay. And I want user to play again. You can at this point ask your user to leave the game as per your requirement. Now I want him to play again and again till he gets the correct number. So I'll overwrite my guess variable and I write guess int input and say a message, guess again. So let me guess again. Okay. And another condition will be if guess is greater than num. So I'll write elif. So if elif, else if guess is greater than num. Let me copy paste this to skip some typing time here. Control C and let me copy paste, Control V. Guess is high. And again, even if guess is high, I want him to play again. Now the third condition. The third condition is that guess is equal to num. It means that the guess is equal to the randomly generated number at the first time. And in that case, simply if I write any message outside while loop, it will be okay. So I'm writing your guess is correct and say some cheering message like hooray, or you can write anything you want or anything. So this is pretty simple game. This is complete game, and let's run this and see what happens now. So enter your guess. 3, your guess is less. Okay, again 2, guess is less. Guess is less. Let me write something. Guess again, say 3, guess is less. 4. Okay, your guess is correct. Hooray. Now why I'm getting this every time computer is changing the value. Every time computer is changing, it's generating some random number. That's why. Now we can also check how many attempts, how many chances it took to guess the correct number. So I'm writing count equal to 1. I'm taking a variable count, and every time the count value will be incremented if guess again condition is encountered. So guess again, count will be incremented, guess again, count will be incremented, and in the last I will print this count. So I'll print something, you guessed it in, you took suppose this much amount of time, you took attempts to guess correctly, this type, anything, any type of message you can write. So I'm writing here guess correctly. Okay, and now let's enter this thing. So enter your guess. 4, guess is high. Again, why this is changing every time? Because every time computer is generating new message. So let's see the last line, you took 4 attempts to guess correctly. Okay, so this was all about this game. This game is pretty simple. You can add more conditions here, like you can print the number here, and you can cheat. Okay, the number is 2. Now enter your guess 2, and in the first attempt you'll guess the correctly, and you'll get the winning prize or winning amount, whatever it is. So this is pretty good. You can ask your user that you have got limited amount of chance. Now I'm writing here while guess is not equal to num, so the user has infinite amount of chance. You can write here while guess is less than 5 or guess is less than 3. It means that user will get this much amount of time. So this was all about this lecture. Thank you. We'll meet in next lecture.